How goes it today, everyone? Today I'm going to pull the steering wheel off and try to get to the directional switch and see if that's, we'll get all these covers off and see if it's plugged in correctly. So, found the right Torx bit I need, so I'm going to start taking this off. Well, and I gotta find the steering wheel puller too. Found the steering wheel puller, so I'm going to start getting this off here, hopefully. Hey! Fuck. There it is. Easy peasy. Yeah, that would probably work too, but I got it.
Well, I don't know why you have all these things.
Yeah, there's a spring under here that
Oh,
does it all.
Yeah. Well, it's only one part. You still got it. No?
No, it's just this is the steering wheel thing, and then behind that's the switch. I can see it right now. And you can see someone already tried to take this off before and they didn't have the thing. So that just made it worse when I took off the... Yeah, this is the steering wheel, this is the horn, that's the switch.
Oh, just the horn?
Yeah, it doesn't matter where it is because this just pushes down and it's just electric. Yeah. So it doesn't matter where this is positioned really. It'll hit it either way. But yeah, that's the button right there for the horn.
How does that look? It's kind of crusty.
Then again, the wires are right here.
It looks fake on this truck, but it is grease.
It's just grease, yeah. It's working, but I don't know if the wires are good. Because obviously something's messed up, because when that light goes on, when you push down, then that light goes on.
Right.
So something's screwed up.
Well, these switches go bad, man.
Oh, yes, they do.
Because if you can use them up and down, you know, you were too young to remember that. You actually were a baby. You come back from North Carolina, we had an old, Oldsmobile. We were just about to the New Hampshire line, I think we were.
Yeah.
Like 4 in the morning, whatever, and the freaking headlights went out.
Yeah.
Because the switch was bad.
Right.
And that was a brutal trip.
Yeah.
Back anyway.
The hazards don't work either.
Oh.
The hazards don't work either. Which is the switches right here. That it's on. Well, it's on. It's all part of that. I think. there it is. Almost. Almost got it. There it is. Switch is out. Hooray. Alright, that's gonna do it for today. Got the steering column relatively well ripped apart. I'm still not getting power to this purple wire right here, which seems like the one that goes to the switch. So the switch itself might still be good. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna replace it anyway since I have it out. But I got to go to work. So yeah, thanks for watching.